Hello everyone, I am Vachal. Welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. So there are 6 methods to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. So the method number 1 is just go to the start button, right click over it and click on the option settings. Now in the left hand side just click on Bluetooth and devices. And now go to the right hand side and just turn on this option Bluetooth. So just toggle it on and you can see that the Bluetooth is now showing in the taskbar. So this was method number 1. Now the method number 2 is just click on this option view more devices. Go down and just click on this option more Bluetooth settings. Now just make sure that this option show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area is checked. So if in your system if this option is not checked, then just check it and then just click on the apply button and click on the OK button. If it is not checked in your system, then the Bluetooth icon will not show in the taskbar. So just check it. So this was method number 2. Now let's move to the method number 3. Go to the search bar and now in the search bar just type services. Now just click on the search result services and just click on Bluetooth support service. After selecting the Bluetooth support service, right click over it and click on the option properties. Now just change the startup type from disabled to automatic. After this just click on the apply button and if the service status is stop in your system, then just click on the start button to start it. Click on the OK button. And now just go to the taskbar, right click over the Bluetooth icon and now you can use these two options to send or receive the files. So this was method number 3. Now let's move to the method number 4. Go to the start button, right click over it and click on the option device manager. Now just expand this Bluetooth and just select Intel wireless Bluetooth. So this is the Bluetooth driver. The name may be different in your system, like it may be Realtek or something else. So just select the Bluetooth driver, right click over it and click on the option disable device. Click on yes. Now wait for few seconds and again click on the Bluetooth driver, right click over it and click on the option enable device. So you can see that the Bluetooth icon is now showing and you can now just right click over it and send or receive files using these two options. So this Bluetooth driver should always be enabled in your system. So this was method number 4. Now let's move to the method number 5. Again go to the start button, right click over it and click on the option device manager. Now if the Bluetooth is not showing in this list of devices, then the Bluetooth icon will not show in the taskbar also. So to fix this issue, what you have to do is just click on any of these devices first. After clicking on any of these devices, just go to the top menu, click on action menu and under action menu, just click on this option scan for hardware changes. So what this will do is it will search the system for the Bluetooth driver and it will install it. So just do it 2-3 times. If still the Bluetooth is not showing in this list of devices and if it is not showing in the taskbar also, then let's move to the method number 6. Go to the action menu and under action menu click on this option add legacy hardware. Click on the next button. Now choose the second option install the hardware that I manually select from a list and click on next button. Now go down and just click on sound, video and game controllers. Click on next button. Now go down under the manufacturer and just click on Microsoft. Now go to the right hand side and under model just go down and just click on this option Microsoft Bluetooth A2DP source. So it should be A2DP in the name. After clicking on Microsoft Bluetooth A2DP source, just click on the next button, click on next button, click on finish button. And you can now see that the Bluetooth is now showing. So the Bluetooth driver is now installed. Now we can just uninstall this Microsoft Bluetooth A2DP source. So it will be under sound, video and game controller. So just select it, right click over it and click on uninstall device option. Click on uninstall button. And now your Bluetooth driver is installed and it is showing in the taskbar also. So this was method number 6. If still the Bluetooth icon is not showing in your system, then you have to install Bluetooth driver on your system. And I have created a separate video for that shown in the above I button. So just click on the above I button to watch the video on how to install Bluetooth driver on your system. After installing the Bluetooth driver, just restart your system, and after restarting your system, the Bluetooth icon will start showing in your system. So these were the 6 methods that you can try out to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.